Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix no audio device installed or no output devices found, Windows 11 or 10. First things first, click on the audio icon that shows the error. If it's grayed out, indicating no audio device, just proceed to troubleshoot. Choose then the option Troubleshoot Audio Problems. Then follow the instructions provided in the troubleshooter, as it may suggest fixes or identify the problem. After that, open the Device Manager and scroll down to the System Devices category. In here, look for any driver issues related to audio, and right-click on the problematic audio driver and select Update Driver. Choose then the option Browse My Computer for drivers and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then select the appropriate audio driver and proceed to install it. For example, Intel Smart Sound Technology Bus. Test your system's audio by adjusting the volume if needed. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.